May the Lord turn His face towards you and give you peace. Let's listen to God's Word and be doers of the Word. August 13th, Saturday of the 19th week in Ordinary Time. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Matthew. Children were brought to Jesus, that He might lay hands on them and pray. The disciples rebuked them, but Jesus said, "Let the children come to me, and do not prevent them, for the kingdom of heaven belongs to such as these." After He placed His hands on them, He went away. Reflection of the Gospel Message. Small children usually submit to authority. They look to their parents, teachers, those who do in fact have authority. And this willingness to acknowledge authority, which is natural to small children, is a spiritual characteristic that is very pleasing to God, because we are only going to walk in obedience, living a life that is praiseworthy. If and only then do we acknowledge God's authority in our life. Therefore, we should be acknowledging the authority of Jesus in our life every day. We need to humble ourselves and pursue the will of God. There is that inherent relationship between submitting to God's authority and embracing His will. In this way, we are blessed and entering the kingdom of heaven as Jesus promised.